Kia ora tātou, ko Anuru Hairua tōku ingoa, and this is Tai Tangata Whānau Voice Taranaki. Kia ora tātou, my name's Anuru Hairua, and I'm a kaiako, a teacher at Papaelta. In the health space, I think my whānau need more access or better access to doctors within our rohe down here in South Taranaki. I think a lot of the times where we've needed to go or just to get like a little checkup or something like that, it's always a little bit too long, like maybe 2 or 3 week wait. So that'll be good to get quicker access so that we can get our issues sorted quicker rather than having to wait a longer period of time. I suppose just having more doctors available. I know that's hard in this day and age, but making it more attractive for doctors to come here, to Hāwera, but also the wider Taranaki, maybe New Plymouth, and then they can just travel down to there. But yeah, more access to doctors. Māori doctors would help too. I think you'll find out that whānau would probably feel more safe to approach our own.